Welcome back to Auto Express Review. Yamaha has always been known for producing stylish and reliable motorcycles, and the new 2025 Y-Volt 250 continues that tradition. This lightweight cruiser is a perfect combination of classic design, modern performance, and affordability. If you're looking for a comfortable, powerful, and fuel-efficient bike, this model could be the ideal choice. In this Auto Express review, we'll take a detailed look at its design, performance, features, and what makes it special. Classic wet modern design, the Yamaha Bolt 250 carries the traditional cruiser motorcycle look with a low-profile stance, stylish fuel tank, and minimal yet striking bodywork. The addition of LED lights, a digital analog instrument cluster, and high-quality finishing enhances its appeal. The black engine casing, classic round headlamp, and stylish exhaust give it a strong and distinctive character, making it stand out on the road. Engine and performance. The new Yamaha Bolt 250 is powered by a 249cc, air-cooled, single-cylinder engine, delivering a smooth and torquey ride. Yamaha has optimized this engine for fuel efficiency and low-end power, making it perfect for both city commuting and highway cruising. The 5-speed gearbox ensures seamless gear shifts, while the refined fuel injection system enhances throttle response and mileage. With its well-balanced power-to-weight ratio, the Bolt 250 is easy to handle, even for beginner riders. Comfort and riding experience. Yamaha has designed the Bolt 250 with rider comfort in mind. It features a low seat height, making it accessible for riders of all sizes. The wide handlebars and forward-set foot pegs provide a relaxed riding position, reducing fatigue on long journeys. The telescopic front forks and twin rear shock absorbers offer a smooth ride, absorbing bumps and roughs effectively. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the open highway, the Bolt 250 ensures a comfortable experience. Technology and features. The 2025 Bolt 250 isn't just about looks and performance, it also comes with modern features that enhance convenience and safety. The LED headlamp and taillight improve visibility, while the semi-digital instrument cluster provides essential ride information like speed, fuel level, and trip details. The inclusion of ABS, anti-lock braking system, ensures safer braking, especially in emergency situations. Yamaha has also equipped the Bolt 250 with a lightweight frame, enhancing agility and maneuverability. Fuel efficiency and practicality. One of the standout aspects of the Bolt 250 is its impressive fuel efficiency. With Yamaha's advanced fuel injection system, the bike delivers excellent mileage, making it a cost-effective choice for daily commuting and weekend rides. The large 1213L fuel tank ensures fewer fuel stops, allowing riders to enjoy longer journeys without frequent refueling. Conclusion: is the 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250 worth it? If you're looking for a compact cruiser that offers style, performance, comfort, and affordability, the 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250 is a solid option. It delivers a relaxed riding experience, modern features, and a reliable engine, making it a great choice for both new and experienced riders. Yamaha has successfully created a bike that blends classic cruiser appeal with modern technology. That's all for this Auto Express review. Let us know your thoughts on the new Yamaha Bolt 250 in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting motorcycle reviews. See you in the next video.